Hey guys, I am right now in Redhat. It is not a coincidence. We are going to install Boinc in Redhat. This guide will also apply for CentOS and also Fedora. So you can follow this up and let's get started. First of all, let me log into my Red Hat system and that is the password, and now it should log in. First of all, for this, we actually need EPL repository, which is to be installed. So for that, we have to download the RPM, which corresponds to the source files, which will give the yum package manager or DNF package manager the required links to basically find the EPL repository. EPL stands for Extended Packages for Enterprise Linux, and that is basically a Fedora repository which is cross-compatible with Red Hat as well as CentOS installed. And you'll be getting this page most probably if you are searching in Google, and if you scroll down you can actually get this link. So this is actually for 7, and try to download this. Actually 7 and 8 doesn't matter, like if you do 8 that will also work. And this is basically Red Hat version 8. So yeah, it is better to do a version 8 than version 7 in the system. But it doesn't really matter if you install version 7 or version 8 normally. But if you want to keep the compatibilities correct, then you have to install version 8 in this particular install. So yeah, whatever you are having. Now what we have to do is we have to install this package. Right now we have just downloaded it. So sudo yum install. Yum is actually a package manager which is found in Red Hat, and also all the Red Hat based OSs. And we will be just typing this here, and one thing that will be faster is just doing that, and the password. Okay, so that will be installing that. What you can do is you can also do this command instead of this. It will kind of download it and install it automatically, and this local install means it will only need root to work. That will only be installed in your user. So that is that. Now we have installed that. So what we can do is yum install Boinc, and we have two things to install. Like first of all, you just want the command line version, then Boinc client is totally enough for you. But you also need that GUI. Then you have to also install Boinc manager. Okay, so Boinc client is installed. So yeah, now you should get these things like Boinc CMG and those kind of things. So yeah, I will show you two ways to do it. So the first way is just installing the client. You'll be getting the Boinc CMD and all the things you need. You can actually now go ahead and run Boinc manager. So Boinc, not manager, Boinc CMD. And first of all, before you run it, you have to enable and start that Boinc client. So enable -- now, so that it will start now, and Boinc client.service, and let's zero that, and it should actually do that. And let's go and create a temp mail. So yeah, I like Gorilla mail and those kind of things. Yeah, some kind of a temp mail that will work. Waiting for an email. Yeah, that works. So to fight COVID and these kind of pandemics, and also cancer and those kind of things, I recommend you to hold Rosetta. So Rosetta at home. So yeah, you have to go to here and sign up. So this is why I needed a temporary email so that I can just register in this. So I can just put this name as this and password maybe same as this, and country you can set it to none, and I'm a robot. That worked. And here you go, there is an account. So yeah, I'm going to reveal all the account details in this. You already know the password for this account. So yeah, like use it as you want. I won't even log into this account again. Right. I didn't want to blur out all the details because kind of for noobs this tutorial should work. So they need to see every bit so that they can compare, right? So let's see. First of all, what you have to do is you have to go and click on view. And that is not exactly what I meant. This is what we have to do. Click on view. And now we can see the account key and those kind of things. So this is what we really want. First of all, we have to create the file, this file, in the Boinc directory. So nano slash var slash lib slash Boinc slash this file, and let's remove the space there and also sudo this and copy all of this and paste it there, and system ctl restart Boinc client, and I forgot to do sudo, so yeah, let's sudo that. And now if I do nano this thing, I don't get any difference, but if I wait for some time and like I'm just doing opening and closing that thing, like after some time the Boinc will come online and connect to that. So let's hope it will do that in a moment. Okay, so yeah, see, you can see that Boinc has added a lot of things here, like a lot of things. So this means your account has been successfully added. And now what we can do is Boinc cmd and hyphen get project status. This may or may not work. If it doesn't work, you have to go into this directory, that is cd slash var slash lib slash Boinc, and here you can see everything is working fine and everything is configured. And if you want to see the tasks, then get tasks, and this should actually give the tasks which is going to be run in your computer. So you can see some are actual COVID tasks which we got. It actually depends on your processor architecture, even the OS itself. Like I have this configured in my Arch system and I don't get any of these COVID stuff. Like normally what I get is like generic stuff. So here actually what you can do is go back and you can kind of see like here, if you see view computers on this account, then you can see that this computer has been added. And here if I go to the details, then it will show all the details about my computer. And if I go back and go to tasks, then you can kind of see this is like all the tasks which has been allocated. for my machine. So that is how you can add like this. So let's stop this. And let's add in the other way. So now we have to like delete var/lib/boinc just because I want to start again like fresh, so that there won't be any difference if you do it and if I do it. So sudo, yeah, and I have to say right. So that directory is gone. Now what I can do is sudo. If you want GUI, you have to do this. Yum install Boinc client and Boinc manager. And for the Boinc client, this step is totally unnecessary because I did delete the directory. Yeah, reinstall Boinc client, and that should reinstall Boinc client, and we should have a var/lib/boinc directory back, and it is there. Even if you do sudo ls, there shouldn't be any difference. So systemctl start Boinc client, and we have to sudo this. Now only thing we have to take in difference is that we got this file. So cd var/lib/. First of all, you have to be in the Boinc directory. You want to go to there, and now you can just get the GUI file. The problem is like GUI file is actually GUI RPC auth file is protected by root. Like root owns it, and its permission is 600, so you can't read it. What you can do is, if you do have sudo access, you can read it. Like you should have already have by now. And this is like a password which Boinc generated for me. What you can do is you can paste this command as it is, that is Boinc manager. Then you have to give the password, that is $sudo get GUI RPC. So yep, and that should basically show the Boinc manager, and you can see that Boinc manager kind of prompts you to connect to some kind of a folding thing. So yeah, I'm kind of saying these are folding because I am used to doing fold at home, right? So yeah, I kind of get just confused sometimes. It is not folding like this. You can say it is folding if it is doing protein. It can actually also do different things than protein folding. Like like there is the thing called study at home. That is basically finding extraterrestrial life rather doing protein folding. So anyway, I am a assisting user and I do have the email. So I copy this email, and the password is actually the same. So yeah, it is not same for you. Just punch those in, and it should actually log in and just add your details. And yeah, and it should actually show up here. Let me go back and refresh this page, and here you can see this thing and the tasks here. So I don't like to really have this showing like this. So rather what I will do is I will go to advanced view. So projects, you can see Rosetta at home, and you can see that it has already got like a hell lot of things to do now. So yeah, that is it. And if you like this video, please give this a thumbs up, and if you don't like it, you can give a thumbs down. I don't know why you don't like it. Maybe it's because it is long. And if you did like it, or if you don't but you want to see, some videos like this which is totally random, as you know, then subscribe to my channel, Ultimate Random, youtube.com/Abraham. And thanks a ton for watching, and we will see in the next video. Bye bye.